Ka Jingialang ba Nyngkong Jong ka Play to Learn Summit, lala ban pynlong da ka ba job ha Shillong, mynta ka sngi ka tarik nailur hajar phulai, ka ba pyni ka bynta ba kongsan jong ka jingialehkai, na ka bynta bante ka jingim ba pura jong ki khynnah. Ya ka ni ka Jingialang, la pynlong da ka sorkar Meghalaya, Meghalaya Early Childhood Development Mission, MECDM, bat ka Meghalaya Health System Strengthening Project, MHSSP, ryngkat ka jingiatreilang bat ka Sesame Workshop India Trust, ryngkat ka jingkyrshan jong ka SBI Foundation, but ka Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. Ka sorkar Meghalaya ka wanrah ka jingtreikam jong ka Early Childhood Development Mission, MECDM, ka balong ru ka sienjam treikam ka Nyngkong hakari. Ka thong ka bahakmat jong ka ni ka sienjam treikam, ka long ban pynlong ki khynnah ki babiang pura. Hakani ka sngi, uba polling do, ubalong Menteri ka tanat Social Welfare ka sorkar Meghalaya, uong, hakum kani ka por bangiya don lang hangni mynta ka sngi, haka Jingialang jong ka Play to Learn Summit, ka long shisha ka basaukta, hadu kata-kata, bat don ka jingiatreilang, hapdeng ka Meghalaya Early Childhood Development Mission, Sesame Workshop India Trust, SBI Foundation, bat ka Indian Institute of Banking and Finance.
Your cutie patootie 5-year-old friend. Welcome and a very warm welcome to Polling Sir. Thank you for coming. How are you all doing today? Are you good? Yeah, I can see so many of my friends sitting here. Come now, are you guys having fun? Yeah? Yes, I can hear you. Yay, you are. Okay, so today is a very, very special day. You know why? Because today is Teacher's Day. I love Teacher's Day because I love all my teachers and they teach me new things and I love learning new things every day. But did you know that teachers are not only in schools? Did you know that? No? Well, teacher can be anyone whom we learn from. It could be your parent, it could be your friend, and even your pet. Yeah, that's right, even your pet. I have a little cat at home and I learned the cat stretch and yoga from my cat. So he's my teacher too. Isn't that cute? Can you learn a cat pose from your cat? I think you can, right? Well, and today's made even more special because we had some outstanding and amazing adults who are going to come up here and talk to us about play. Play is so much fun, right? Well, you can't have learning without play because once you start playful learning, it goes on for life. And I'm a learner for life, so play is great. Guess the most important part of play is learn. So all you teachers out there, remember to stay silly and be the most authentic version of yourself while you teach. Right? Here we go. The importance. Just this one. I can't wait to hear what they have to say. So let's bring in my friend who also teaches me a lot of things. My friend and teacher, Miss Sonali Khan. Welcome over, Miss Sonali.
Early childhood development, but more than that, the focus is on play. Actually making play central to children's learning, to children's education and children's well-being. We at Sesame Workshop really believe that the early childhood years, which are the most important and formative years of the child, in which children should learn, grow, but they should also experience. And for that, how can we build an ecosystem that supports the child, from the family to the neighborhood to the school, and also the education system and the policy system. So Sesame Workshop India, I'm the managing director and really very excited to be here today because it's the first Play to Learn Summit for the state of Meghalaya. We are very proud to partner with the mission, the ECD mission, with the Meghalaya government, and in this case also seeing how we can integrate it into the system. So as we heard from the morning, that it's a mission of the state. So it's not something that is parallelly running, it will be integrated into the daily life of the child. and right from the village, the community, and we are really proud to be a partner with the state.
There's a very important mission, which is the first of its kind in the country. And today, I'm happy to see that right after this program, you will also be having a panel discussion involving various stakeholders on how do we carry forward the early childhood development mission, and also to see that you are also going to engage yourself in a storytelling session, which is a more informal form of education. With every mission, there are challenges. And with the first challenge is that we stick on and focus on the mission. Very often, we all start off as missionaries, but over the course of time, some missionaries turn into mercenaries, and that is when things begin to fail and falter. So it's very important that we sustain ourselves in that mode of missionaries. I had a few personal experiences. Just recently, a constable had approached me requesting that he should be posted not at Sora, Cherrapunji, but he desires to be posted in Shillong. I had to tell him that when the first missionaries arrived at Sora, they came all the way from Wales, landed in a place which was totally alien to them. They didn't know the local language, they didn't know the local people, they didn't know where they were going to stay for the rest of their mission. But they stuck on, and that is how modern education was birthed in Meghalaya. And I told that constable that if people who do not belong to this soil had the humanity, had the passion to carry on that mission for years together, why is it so difficult for you as a constable to be posted 53 kilometers away from where you stay? So I would like us to focus that when we speak of a mission, let us first have the zeal, the passion, the drive, the focus of a missionary. Then only any mission can be a success story.